Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am so excited for this video, you guys, because this is something that I'm very excited about because it's a new hobby that I'm very excited about. And since it is about diamond painting, I decided to dress up and look like a diamond myself. Not like I am not a diamond and looking a diamond in real life without being dressed up. Come on, guys. I mean, of course I am, of course. And you little diamonds out there, so never ever lower your self-esteem. So anyway, that's why I was like, let's dress up for this video. And I did. I know I look so good. Anyways, so without wasting any further time, let's just jump right into the video and let's go. So let's go. I'm really excited. Let's go. Alright, so let's begin and let's start and let me show you. And my diamond painting collection and everything is in a box that is right in front of me. So let's start. And how should I do this? It is in this box right here.
Hello guys, I'm here to give you a quick little apology for this, and I'm recording this audio clip. I'm so sorry for this clip. I had to mute the original audio. Sorry for the inconvenience for this part, and enjoy the rest of the video.
So it's in this humongous box, and this box is for I made it for my diamond painting collection itself. And I am really excited, and I'm thinking that how did this become a hobby of mine? Like how? And oh my gosh, I'm so sorry if I'm constantly doing like this guys. It's inbuilt in my head now. Essa. I'm really sorry, not so yes. So I'm just thinking that, how did this become a hobby of mine? And it's my new hobby, and I absolutely love it. So let's go and start. Sorry guys, I'm excited, I'm very excited. So. Okay, this is the reveal. Okay, and inside I got.
Sorry guys, I had to mute this section too. I am extremely sorry, but I promise in the rest of the video there will be no muting. Enjoy!
So, isn't it so organized? I mean, I can't believe it that I am so organized. Like me, that someone has just this organized. What? So anyways, let me start showing you. And also, I'm going to show you the current one that I'm working on. It's kept right over there that I'll show you in the end. And look at this, you guys, all my diamonds in here. Look at all this. Oh yeah, you guys. After the video now, I'll have to put everything back inside. So I'm gonna picturify this. I'm just going to show you and put it right back. It's clean up. After this is already so organized. These are all the diamonds from the previous months that I have done. Oh look, there's one fallen here. Ek diamond hai, ek bead, see it's in between my fingers. It's fallen in this. I'll have to put it back. I think it's from one of these. Oh, I found it! I found it! Okay, so I started my finger over here and I found it's matched this. And let me put it back inside. Although I'm done with this one, but if we add egg mila, so I'll better put it back in. Oh! So it's back in. So I think I'll find many like this, falling. So anyways, these are from the previous ones. And then, I have all of these. So me, my sister, we, started, putting all these in these bags. And then because iske andar jo karna bahut difficult hai. And we realized that to do all this after I was done with these two. That's why, this is all in this only. So I, stapled all these and kept it. It was becoming really a nuisance for me. So then we, decided to put it on all these dabbas and everything. And by all these dabbas, I mean these ones. See all these dabbas. There are all these diamonds and beads inside. Tick, tick, tick. And then we named them and everything. So those are, all these dabbas. So I just edges at least here. So one of my sister's creams. Because I fixed my curls here. And in that we put this. I mean, she used it and everything. See in that is how will I show it without it falling? See all this pink color beads. Diamonds are there in that. So we did Juka. And then this dabba 8 name. There is this peach color. Oh, there. See peach color diamonds in this, and we've labeled it as 8. This is a label 8. And it's funnel, for easy pouring. It was my mom's idea, to pour it inside the. Oh, screen's going black. Put it inside to pour. And this got here yesterday. I will make an unboxing video. Then sabka video nahi banana padta hai yaar. This I've actually stapled it, but this is just the back side. If I show my current one, it's that this is just a transparent. It's a Maxima. It's like this. But these came with this, like with the diamond painting for this. That's why we have so lessons and we had to use boxes. But then these like separately ordered, so it came in this 2 packs came, and one we use, and then Chitna Bachla we just I just took it and I put it in one only. So now let me actually start showing you my diamond art. The coasters, time for the coasters. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm going to now show you my posters. And guys, I've also made an unboxing video of this posters where I showed you its arrival. If you haven't seen that video, what are you doing? Just go and watch it right now. I mean, you can either watch this one video and then go watch that, or pause this video, watch that, and then come back here. But you can do it as however you want. But these are my posters. So let me start showing you my posters. Okay, so let's start. And the posters are like this. And obviously, I have not used them yet because yeah, ye kaun use karega yaar? This is like just for decoration and showing items. So let's start. Oh my god! So this is the first one. Look at this. Okay, because the light, it's not very visible. The shine, but as you can see, all the diamonds on there. So see some diamonds. Like, can you see that? ऐसा shine from here ऐसा दिख के आ रहा. Oh, can you see that shine? I mean, trust me, in better lighting, the shine is so much more and it's so much better. But this is the first one. So ऐसा tuk diamond painting, I have done. This one is my favorite. The next one is my favorite. I'm so irritated. The shine is not that visible. Oh, from here. Okay, see that? Oh, ooh la la, look at that shine. Guys, that is not light and reflection, except that now, this is obviously light, but before this, see, before that light, yeah, this is the shine, you guys. ये reflection है यार, ये shine है इसका, diamonds का. Can you see that? Look at that shine. Now this is the light, but this is literally the shine, guys, the diamonds and the beads. दिख क्या रहा shine अभी? Let me see if I can put that also here. Oh, yes. Can you see that? That shine. Fine. Oh, wow. So that's literally the shine. Or it may be the light. I don't know. But anyway, so this is the next one. This one is my favorite. It has red, blue, green. So this one is my favorite. And then it's this one. It's so vibrant. There, now can you see that shine? It's so vibrant. This one. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. All these posters. And then are these ones. These ones. Can you see these? Look. Ta-da! These ones are also so beautiful. Da-da-da-da. I mean, I used to just watch videos of this diamond painting and I never imagined, I will do it one day and so soon. And this one is also my absolute favorite. See this? That will probably see. See this? This is my absolute favorite. Can you see that shine? Yeah, dekho guys. Reflection, dekho, shine, dekho. Obviously, it's diamond painting, so the shine is gonna be there. This is also one of my favorites. So this is the posters. Total 1. Oh, wait. 2, 10, 9, so 6. So one second, guys. So total 6 are there. So these are the coasters of mine, and then just keep them back because I told you I don't make a mess. And this is all the diamonds and beads of this one. Okay, this is done, and now let's get to these. So this is going to be the first one we're going to see. So let's go. Oh wait, so of my current one, gotta keep that there. So, are you guys ready? This is the actual first one that I have done. Ta-da! This is the one, you guys, and this I have already shown in one of my shorts and one of my videos. Oh, what? Better. So that also video will be linked down below. So if you guys want, you guys can go and check it out as well. But I'm going to show it to you guys again now. I don't know why I put that hair away. If I just put it back. So I'm going to show you guys now again. So this is the turtle one. Me and my sister had named him, but I forgot his name. But can you see that shine? I think if you guys want a better view of this, go and watch that video of mine, where I showed the turtle. Which will be linked in the description below. And also my signature, my name, my date. Oh my god, वो दिख के नहीं आ रहा because the light got us here. My name, signature, and date is also over here. This was done 21/5/2026. So last month, 25th of last month. Let's open this up and let's move to the next one. There was a glitch there. I don't know if that glitch got recorded, but I just saw that there was a glitch. So that glitch was there and it got recorded. I don't know if editing, it would be there or no, but I can't really read it. So this is our next one. Oh, this is my most favorite one. So this is my next one. Oh, lol, guys. I was holding fully ulta. Oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. This is my Nabi. Look at this Nabi. Also known as butterfly. Nabi. Nabi, Nabi, Nabi. See? Butterfly. Isn't this so beautiful? I don't know if I made a video about this. Why do I feeling like I did? Did I make a video about this? I don't know. I think it was just the turtle. But okay, this is like 3D. Like this ye flower or something like that. Ye sab 3D hai. So I don't know if it's like very visible. And you can see a rose also. This is all 3D. This is the most beautiful one. I love this one more than the turtle. And we had named this also, but I forgot the name. You guys don't come at me, I forgot the name. So this is my butterfly. And this one is also dated and signatured by me. Dated and signatured by me. And if my signature looks a bit weird, guys, इसमें ना करना बहुत difficult है यार. And then there are beads on the top. But when I was doing the sign, वो थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया because on this paper to do a signature though it's very difficult. इसलिए मेरा sign थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया, lol. But it's okay. So this one was done 29/5/2026. So on 29th of last month. And this one is my most favorite one. My bunny was over the sea. Alright, so now this one. It's like this. Ta-da! Flower pot. This is my flower pot. Can you guys see this clearly? This is my flower pot. My diamond painting flower pot. This is how it looks. I'll do one thing. I'll move this box. Hang on, you guys. Just 1 second. So that I can show it from the center over here. I just have to ensure that. So there we go. Now I can show you like this, and I can make my way down. Rubber band. So this is how it looks. I think this is unlike those ones. This is kind of like matte, so it's not that shiny. But can you see it feel aisa and see? Okay, I'm just gonna make my way like this and slowly show you. I don't know how much being visible in the camera. Is it even being seen? It's being visible. And then from the bottom, this is how it looks. Can you see them, guys? So see, this is the flower pot. This I looks from far, and up close here ऐसा दिखता है. So this is the flower pot, and it looks a bit too much, like up close. But दूर से it looks very nice. Can you see that shine थोड़ा सा? So this is my flower pot. Also signature and dated. See, signature and date. My name is there. 10/6/2026. So this was around 10th. And while I'm filming this or filming this, it's the 12th. So this is recently done of this month only. Oh, hang on. This actually now has to be actually this way. So this was done recently of this month only. Then that was Wednesday. So it's actually been just 2 days since I finished this one. And now my current one. Let's go. My current one. So let me show you. Alright, so let me show you my current one. So my current one. Are you guys able to see? And you can see that I have just started this. So I have done very few. You can see up closely. I've done very few of these. And this, me and my sister, we call it the Tree of Life. Or since it's, a book over here down, we call it Tree of Knowledge. So this is the current one that I'm doing. So hence it's not finished and everything. I actually started doing this yesterday itself. And wo jo tha na, I wanted to show you guys that. See, so yesterday we numbered and labeled everything. वो इधर ऐसा दिख के नहीं आएगा, but this is 26Q. See, now you can see 26Q. So these were the bags that arrived that I was telling you. These bags. See here, see 15/7. Like wait, let me show you. So these transparent bags, and that is what arrived yesterday in that. I don't remove the staple and everything. And let me see. This is out because it's the current one that I'm doing 26Q, the number. That's why this is out. And I also have my tray and my picker, my drill stick. इसके अंदर wax भी है, दिख के नहीं आएगा, but my wax is in there. So yeah, I'm actually doing the last one. Here, 26Q. See here, 26Q. 26Q. So that is what I'm doing, and I don't know when I finish this because this is bigger than the flower pot, guys. So this is going to take me a longer time. So yes, that's actually about it, you guys. So this is actually a pretty small and a quick video that I thought I'll make for you. I didn't show you. So now I have lots of extras with me. This is the wax. So for you guys who don't know what it is, then in this drill stick of yours, you just take a bit of wax in that, then you put it in a diamond or in the bead, and then it sticks. And then you take it and then you put it on your canvas or whatever you are doing. And then it sticks, and then after you're done, you press it with your hands, fingers, book, or इसके साथ ही press करो, या भी पीछे के साथ press करो, ऐसा तो ऐसा है. So now I have a lot, of these, all the remaining of whichever ones I received. So I have a lot of extras with me, and I'm going to get a lot of extra more in the future because I'm going to be ordering more and everything. I'm going to be doing more. So I will need a bigger box. I'm going to need multiple of boxes. So anyways, so guys, that's it. Anyway, that's it. So thanks for joining me in this video. I hope you liked all my diamond paintings. And this is one of my new favorite, most favorite hobby right now. And I'm gonna want to do more bigger, इतने बड़े वाले भी आते हैं, इतने बड़े वाले भी आते हैं. So in the future I will hope to do those big ones and more of them. So yes, that was the whole video. If you enjoyed the video so far, if you like this video, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to go watch the turtle and the poster unboxing. The unboxing of the poster and the turtle reveal video. I think there is a turtle. वो turtle का भी मैंने दिखाया था शायद से कि उसका unboxing भी. I'm not sure. If I find that, I'm not sure I did that. I just showed you the reveal of it. But anyways, so don't forget to go and watch those, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.